Phở.
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 Phở. Hi guys, welcome back to that 1870s Homestead channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
About 14 days left until Dan leaves. At one point, right after you got here, you made pho for us.
But
and it was wonderful. I thought it was good.
Okay. Actually, it's not good, but I mean, I will try to make pho again with more preparation and like better. So I hope it's gonna get like have a better result this time.
So what do we need for ingredients to make it?
So here we got beef that Papa helped me to cut it into thin slices.
Yeah, it's very, very thin. It's just a sirloin steak. Some of it's paper thin.
Yeah. And next we have chopped chive and fresh fresh basil. Actually, we need more than this. Like we need bean sprout, some fresh lime, culantro, and cilantro, but we can't find them during this time. So we only have these two, but these are the two essentials to me already. So
Right.
we can still make a good taste pho with these. And I'm gonna use this lime juice instead of fresh lime, and it's still good. Okay.
Some hot sauce.
And hoisin sauce.
Hoisin.
And here we use this Vietnamese inspired pho beef broth. You can find or make chicken broth, but I just want to make it easy, so I use this one. Minced beef.
And noodles. Are these like a rice noodle or is that like a flour noodle?
It's our rice noodles.
Okay.
Pho rice noodles. So yeah, just make it simple with easy ingredients that you can be found at Walmart.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay.
Cool. So we'll get out of the way and let you cook.
Okay. Hi guys. So usually at home, my mom and a grandmother gonna buy fresh noodles like this and boil some hot water and just pour over it. So they will be softened and like not stick together too much. While doing it, you can just use a chopstick to like touch them like this. It's really complicated to make this good broth, and I don't think I'm able to make it. So it's quicker and easier for me just to use this. They made it already. So after pouring all of them, I'm gonna bring them to boil. Like, yeah, just wait until they boiling, and we can do the next step. Okay, now while waiting for the broth to be boiling, we just like divide those noodles into bowls. Okay. So pho is a Vietnamese traditional dish. Even though we have lots of different kinds of noodle soup, like hủ tiếu, bánh canh, bún bò Huế, but whenever we mention Vietnam, foreigners gonna think only about pho, mostly, because it's so famous and it's kind of easy to make too. Not really, but yeah, it is easy. And different regions in Vietnam gonna have different ways and recipe to make it. So the ingredients sometimes might be different, depends on where you eat pho. But the essentials are always noodles, chicken broth or beef broth, some toppings, and hot sauce and hoisin sauce. That is the essentials that will never change no matter where you eat pho. Who's boiling? So after dividing pho noodles into bowls, you will just add some toppings on it, like this. You can have more like chopped cilantro, culantro, and some onions if you want to. Today I only have chive, but still good. Hey, here. And what you're gonna do with these, just add them into the broth when it is boiling. Hello. Okay, so as it's boiling, just pour the hot water over the noodles.
The hot broth.
Hot broth.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Like this.
Lovely. So pretty.
Remember to keep the broth boiling so it can be hot enough to cook the noodles softly. So I just moved the broth into a smaller pot so we can do this part. Just take some beef like this and put it into the ladle. Not too much. And dip it into the boiling broth. And using the chopstick to cook it like this. You can cook it like this for from 10 to 15 seconds. It depends on if you want your meat to be rare or well done. So I think this is good.
Mm-hmm.
Then just put it into the bowl. Oh no. Okay. Yeah. And keep doing like that. The reason why I'm doing like this, instead of just dump all of the beef into the broth and cook them, is because each person gonna want it different. So we can just do like this individually. Not everyone do this, but many Vietnamese enjoy having an egg with the pho. So we just crack an egg and quickly put it into this boiling pot broth. And using the ladle to find it. Oh no! Wait. It is.
There it is.
No, this is just the. Oh no. Technique problem. Sorry guys. Here. Yeah. I actually should put the ladle here and crack an egg on it so I can keep it. I'm just doing like this. And wait for 15 or 20 seconds until it's a little cooked. Wait, it disappeared?
No, it's still here.
Whoa! Oh no. Okay, I think it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. You can add it into a separate bowl with some soup or just add it directly into your pho. And enjoy your meal. Done done. Ta-da! This is the final result. Pho. And this one is with eggs and no egg. And last one I'm gonna add some basil. Actually, all the vegetables are optional. You can either have it or not, but it's just like prettier and more flavors if you add basil on top. Just like that. You don't need too much.
So Dan's going to show us real quick what to do with the flavorings. Lemon juice, hoisin, and sriracha.
Okay, so what we need is actually like fresh lemon or lime and cut it into like small, like a quarter of it and just squeeze into our pho. It's
Okay.
quite optional too. But because we don't have it here, so we just have like a little of these add to our pho to add more flavors to
Okay.
it. I want to do it first.
Okay.
So just show you guys how to do it. So I'm going to use this spoon and just add really little. Just like that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And put it in it. And with the hot sauce and hoisin sauce, just add like as much as you want to. Just to add more flavors to it. And this is optional too, because if you don't enjoy eating spicy, you don't have to.
Okay.
But I do, so.
I don't think it's open.
There you go.
Oh, that's pretty. Nice. All right, so like our traditional way of doing cooking videos here on the channel, we are going to do our resident taste test. I did choose to have the egg in mine, so would I cut it and mix it in there?
Some people do so, or some people just like eat.
The egg, okay. I think I'll cut it.
It's like a real quick photo.
Okay.
Oh no!
It's very lovely. I love every soup she's ever made us. It's so fresh tasting. I love it.
Yay!
Yes, very good. I still can't do chopsticks.
Okay, so I'm gonna show one additional thing that how we eat pho is on your.
I'm gonna just grab the camera and bring it over to show you.
I'm gonna show you how Vietnamese eat pho. We're gonna have a spoon on our left hand and chopsticks on our right hand, and just do like this. Add some noodles on the spoon, like this. Oh, carefully. Add some broth and eat it. So you have noodles and broth.
Okay,
Yeah.
good job. So you guys should try to make it. It was really quite a simple recipe to watch her pull together. Honestly, it would be like one of our 15-minute meals. It's that quick, you know,
is.
as long as you have, you know, your meat sliced. So good job, Dan. Thanks
you.
for sharing a little bit of Vietnam with everyone.
Enjoy the video.